to allow work on the vehicle. Unlike gearbox stands or engine stands, this unit hangs from the bottom of the vehicle, so the vehicle can still be raised up and down on the ramp. Adjustable in all directions, this truly is a universal product. The support is designed to be hung from the bottom of the vehicle. Using two substantial hooks, it can be hung from any substantial mounting point on the underneath of the vehicle, be that part of the chassis or, as in this case, a substantial anti-roll bar. The rear supports are adjusted so that they contact the chassis and or the floor of the vehicle. The front mounting point, that's where it contacts the sump on the pad provided, and that's adjusted in the same way. Now the weight will go down through this sump pad, be pivoted around the hooking points, and be applied upwards onto the floor of the vehicle. This substantial support unit will now support the weight of the engine, allowing you to remove any engine mountings, for example when you need to replace a cam belt.